What are the 10 topics that you should master to become a profitable trader? Last one is the most important. Alright, so let's talk about that right now, coming up next. First topic is technical analysis. But don't go too crazy with too many indicators. The most important thing is price. Okay? Every other thing, indicators, those are just bonus. And make sure you pick an indicator that suits your personality, because if you pick a strategy that doesn't suit your personality, then it's going to be very hard for you to make consistent money with it. Okay? Second topic you must master is fundamental analysis. All my fundamental analysis courses right now are all free on YouTube. Okay, so make the most out of it. Hedge fund, forex traders, their main focus is FA. Then technical analysis, they only use it to enter, exit. Okay, but to so-called generate a trade idea, they would rely on fundamental analysis and also something else which I'm going to mention later on. Even if you're a short-term trader, you need to look at economic events, because when there's a high impact event that's happening right now, your indicator is not going to work out during this event. So whether you're a short-term trader, long-term trader, pay attention to economic news. Third topic you need to master is risk management. Okay, if you've been watching me for a long time, you probably already know that the risk per trade, the maximum drawdown, leverage margin, those are important. But another thing that's very important is your portfolio exposure. Let's say if you open 3 currency trades, how much risk is this exposing your portfolio to? Okay, let's say your whole entire investing portfolio, trading portfolio includes stocks, commodities. How does this affect your overall portfolio rather than on an individual trade basis? Okay, and make sure you don't focus entirely on profit return. You know, it's typical retail trader thinking. I need you to focus on risk-adjusted return, and you can measure a risk-adjusted return using Sharpe ratio. So when you study finance, you come across this ratio, and then you gotta memorize the formula, all that. But as a trader, you don't need to memorize the formula. You just need to know how to use it. Okay? When you open many different trades in various currency pairs, how do you know how much risk are you exposed to in total to your portfolio? This comes to point number 4. Are these currencies related to each other, or are they negatively correlated to each other? And that is intermarket analysis. If you were trading in the 80s, markets, they move individually. It moves by itself. But nowadays, because of the fact that everything is online, globalization, this causes currency pairs and stock market to be interrelated to each other. So when one moves, it's going to drag the other market to move along with it or against it if it is negatively correlated. So if you open 3 currency pairs that are positively correlated to each other, you are tripling your risk. And also when you understand intermarket analysis, when you compare between different markets, you realize that certain markets can become leading indicators for your forex, for your gold, for your oil, for your commodities. Because here's the thing, when you rely on indicators, technical analysis too much, a lot of those indicators are lagging indicators. Even though some books, I don't know why they say that this momentum indicator is a leading indicator. I'm like, what? I thought you calculated everything based on the price. Then how is it a leading indicator, right? So if other markets can give you a signal, a leading indicator, why not rely on that? Fourth topic you need to understand is trading psychology. Okay, there are so many topics, like subtopics inside trading psychology, like fear, greed, and a lot more than that, like your background, and then how you are raised to think about money. All this stuff is going to affect your trading, even your personal life, your marriage, your relationship with your friends. Like if you are having a bad relationship with people around you, it's going to affect your trading one way or another. Okay, like even if you are sad on something, you woke up from the wrong side of the bed, like when somebody scolds you, then you get in a bad mood, then it's still going to affect your trade. There are so many topics that I can talk about. Trading psychology is more important than strategy. Please remember this. Studies have shown that most people who lost their life savings in crypto, in Terra Luna, FTX, in meme stocks, all these stuff that crash, they bought into it because of what? Fear of missing out. My neighbor bought into it my taxi driver bought into it, why not I just buy? Why did you buy? I don't know, because everybody is buying. You see how dangerous fear and greed is? Like, you don't realize the importance of it until you lose your life savings, blow your account. Then you'll be like, oh yeah, I get it. Fifth topic you need to master is trade management. Let's say when you open a trade, okay? What are you gonna do? The danger of not mastering this is, for beginners, they do this a lot. Sit in front of the computer, stare at the chart. Every single tick, okay, when can I take profit? I mean, like, if you're a scalper, that might be okay, but then, like, if you're a day trader, swing trader, position trader, it's going to be counterproductive, okay? And also, once you have an open trade, are you going to scale in or scale out? Are you going to use a trailing stop? As the price moves, do you want the stop loss to follow the price? Like, this is going to make a big difference between whether you're going to lose money or make money. How do you manage open trades? These are very important, okay? And of course, your take profit exit is more important than where you enter. Then the sixth topic you need to learn is how to pick a broker. Different types of brokers, mainly STP, ECN, market maker. Learn how are these three types of brokers different from each other, and also how to pick one. That's most important, okay? There are more than 10 criteria, like checklist, that you need to tick before you be like, okay, I'm gonna work with this broker. Think of it like choosing a business partner is very important, because you can be the best trader in the world, but if you cannot withdraw your profits, then what's the point? Because being a broker, stockbroker, forex broker, is a very lucrative career or business. Because you know why? Regardless of whether your client lose money, make money, you will make money. So it's like people trading for you. It's a guaranteed sure win. That's why there are so many brokers out there for you to choose. And I've seen so many trading gurus, they stop becoming trading gurus and go and become brokers. Because you know what, it's easier. Like, why become a trader when I can become a broker? Somehow being a broker, you don't need any finance degree, economics degree. You just need to be good with sales, talking with people, maybe a bit of basic math, then that's it. Next topic you need to learn is how to use the trading platform. Again, spend time to learn how to use the platform properly. You don't want to be so good in charting, technical analysis or FA. Then when you want to buy, the moment you want to buy, where's the button? I would say the easiest trading software that you can start with is MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. But unfortunately, recently iPhone MT4 and MT5 is gone. So to those Apple users, then you gotta trade more on your computer or laptop. Or maybe buy an Android. Ninth topic you need to learn, how to craft a proper trading plan and trading journal template. What's the difference between a gambler and trader? Trading plan. Like, you don't go into casino and then, wait, let me see my gambling plan. Okay, maybe for professional gamblers they have, but for casual gamblers, you just go and drink some coffee, then lose some money, then come out. So as a trader, you're gonna have a trading plan. Treat your trading like a business. If you don't have a trading plan, it's a sign that you are treating it like a hobby. And trading journal, there are lots of things you need to key in, okay? I've already provided you a template in a YouTube shorts. I also have a long video on that. After this video, you can go check it out, okay? Final thing you need to learn, okay? You gotta learn sentiment analysis, because a lot of times, people are buying safe havens, for example, yen. There are so many incidents where there's an earthquake in Japan, then the economy tanks, but then yen still go up. Because of what? Because of the fact that yen is a safe haven and capital will flow during risk on and risk off environment. And I can tell you, when you master sentiment analysis, it's so much easier. I wouldn't say like, oh, trading is so easy. No, I don't mean that. What I'm saying is, it will be more smooth sailing if you are trying to find a currency pair to trade. When you learn how to pick currency pairs to trade for today, using sentiment data, sentiment analysis, it's gonna help you enter into better trades rather than trading in your bubble, just relying on your technical analysis. I'll put the sentiment analysis course over here. Alright, so with that, talk to you in the next video. Bye.